In this lecture, I am going to throw light about nested loops.
This video is brought to you by OppiePies Academy.
In nested loops, there are two loops. One is the outer loop, another is the inner loop. Actually, what happens is, for each iteration of the outer loop, inner loop gets executed for some specified number of times. For example, this is our outer loop 1, 2, 3. In this example, this is some particular example. In this outer loop, this is to be executed thrice, 3 times, 1, 2, 3. When the first iteration of the outer loop is taking place, the inner loop is getting executed 3 number of times, right? After executing inner loop 3 number of times, the control will shift to the second iteration of the outer loop, second iteration. Then again inner loop will be executed 3 number of times. After executing inner loop 3 number of times, the third iteration of the outer loop will take place. And again for the third iteration, the inner loop will be executed 3 number of times. It is not necessary that all the inner loop iterations will be for equal number of times. I mean to say, for the first iteration of the outer loop, the execution of the inner loop could have been, say, 3 times. For the second iteration of the outer loop, the number of iteration for the inner loop could have been 5 times. For the third iteration of the outer loop, the number of iterations for the inner loop could have been 10, 7, something. So what we have concluded is, for each iteration of the outer loop, the inner loop gets executed some specified number of times. So in the next lecture, we will see a program and we will try to understand it. How does it work using nested loops?